Put a hand up, good afternoon. My name is Jake White, so I'm one of the brand new team leaders in the National Peatland Action Programme. Our programme lead, Manon Lewis, couldn't be here today, but she sends her apologies. So 2025, it's quite a special year. The Peatland Programme has been running for 5 years now, and so we've got that milestone to celebrate, but also this year is also the year of upscaling in the programme, and I'll speak about that a little bit in a minute. So, over the past 5 years, Wales has delivered 3,600 hectares of peatland restoration, surpassing our 600 hectare a year target given to us by Welsh Government, and that's Deputy First Minister Hugh Aranka-Davies celebrating with us at the Royal Welsh Show. This year alone, 3,190 hectares of peatland restoration activity has taken place, and a huge thanks has to go to all of our partners to help us deliver this, and many of them are in the room today. 220 hectares of that was delivered directly by the programme staff themselves, such as Jack Simpson sitting over there. Just to clarify the difference between restoration activity and peatland restoration. Restoration activity includes grazing, scrub management, as well as hydrological restoration. You can't hear that. So the last bullet point says strong momentum and growing upscaling and delivery. So we are upscaling this year. We've already recruited new staff, including myself. That is coming with more resource and the creation of new teams in the programme, including 2 new delivery teams, a monitoring team, and a peat data and GIS team. But despite progress, 90% of Welsh peatlands still remain in a poor condition. So there is still a huge challenge, and we have evidence gaps. So we've launched our data portal. So please head on there to see where the peatland is in Wales, and also what work has been going on. This helps us support our restoration goals. It improves our evidence and also the transparency, inevitably to the taxpayer who's funding all of this. As I've mentioned, we are very excited to announce, covering monitoring, that we're setting up a new monitoring team at MPAP, and shameless plug, we will be commencing recruitment within the next few weeks of that team. This new team will strengthen our commitment to evidence-led restoration and ensure that policy is underpinned by robust, accessible data. On to policy and strategic developments. Well, Wales is embedding peatland restoration into its climate and nature strategies. And with our upscaling plan, we've also secured additional policy resource and officers to deal with our planning casework. In particular, in Wales, peatlands are under huge pressure from green energy construction projects, which is taking up a lot of work. We were also, of course, scaling up delivery with this new staff, and our targets for restoration are on course to triple by 2031. And lastly, empowering stakeholders. We're getting new funding to support this, to support with things like webinars, such as through Farming Connect, and supporting landowners and practitioners. As well, MPAP's new peatland delivery framework now includes an element to develop our contractor base with a contractor development lot to grow the contractor resource to help us deliver these new upscaled targets. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. That's everything.